March 23rd, 2023. We are about to embark on a 30-mile ride, and then we're going to arrive at a campground and camp, do a little cooking, and spend the night with some friends and play a little pinochle and see how things go. It's about, I think the low is 42 tonight. It's going to be in the 70s, I think, today. So anyway, I thought I would show you my bike setup. Hope this isn't too boring. Please deal with the people mowing the yard next door. Anyway, this is my Surly disc trucker. Got it sorted out, I think. I got 2 front bags, tent, bedding, some electronic and miscellaneous, nice Brooks saddle, 3 bags of water, bike equipment, solar panel, clothes, everything rechargeable. We got about almost a gallon of water there. So thanks for joining. We'll see you later. Hey, good morning. It's March 13th, 2023, and we are about to ride 30 miles and then set up for the night and camp with some friends and shoot a guy with a weed eater. Okay, all you fellas, y'all line up now. All you little ones. Kind of close to Moody. This is that place where, I don't think you can see it, but that's SpaceX right over there. And Moody is where that water tower is over there. See SpaceX doing one of its tests on a rocket over there. I don't know if you can see it. Distance. Can't hear it at all. We had to stop and air up because we realized our tires were at 20 psi. Should have checked that before we left. Feels a little better now for this nice gravelly road.